was just installing the engine. After I had to remake the mounts, so this time around I encountered a bit of a problem. I have to cut out the 1x1 pipe down there, so the base, the engine base or the oil base can find a good place to sit, and I can weld down these things to weld down the engine. That's some wiring I was doing. Those are the headlights and traffic indicators. I'm yet to continue that. I just want to mount the engine so I can be able to add the wiring for the engine to this harness here, so I can just get everything back in there. Oh, and that's my reverse gearbox. That's my reverse gearbox in there. I'm yet to finish working on that. So there's a Kawasaki Ninja or Kawasaki Eliminator ZL400 SE. I think it's 60 horsepower, 57, 60 horsepower engine. It's originally a shaft-driven engine. To be able to get it into the tunnel over there, I just had to do a bit of an alteration. So yes, I think this was a couple that was made for the shaft. It goes in there, it just goes in there, and then the shaft would have, it just goes in there and the shaft would have joined. But here's the case, I have to change it into a chain system, a very short chain system, so I can be able to get my long shaft working. So I went to the shop and I got this sprocket mounted on it. I got the adapter turned and then the sprockets mounted, so I can have the other sprocket over there, a small chain turning this one and that one. There's the drive and that's the driven. So I have two reverse gearbox side by side. Because the output of this gearbox is actually on the side, and the other one is also on the side. So I have to turn this one, so when this one comes to the side, this one also takes it for a 90 degree. These are 90 degree gearboxes, two of them. So this takes for this one here, takes it from the chain, and then a 90 degree, and then another 90 degree gearbox. So that's where the long shaft would be going. Oh God. Okay, so I finished working on the engine seats in the area, and I've been able to put the drive chain on it. So the other time there was this 1x1 up here that I had to cut to give the engine room to sit. So you can see the 1x1 is no more there. That's why the engine can sit with about a half inch of gap between that. I have to put a flat bar, a thick flat bar on the engine mounts and weld them to the mount and then to the angle iron which I placed over there. The angle iron is there for the engine seats to sit on them, so I have to put a thick iron plate or a thick angle iron, weld them over there and over there too. So It would give the engine mounts a bit of support. I also welded I tack welded the seat for the gearbox temporarily over here and down there too, so I could align the chain. But I'm facing a bit of a problem right now, tensioning the chain. I don't really know how to go about that, whether or not to put a tensioner down there, or when I make this upper mount, then I put a tensioner on it. I'm yet to know what to do. So that's an update on the engine seat and everything down here.